Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video we are going to do another video of Oleada Work Bag. I've done a couple review for Oleada bags and I am so excited to try this work bag and show you guys how I feel about it. I love Oleada handbag because they are so perfect, very beautiful and thoughtful, and particularly how functional and unique the bags are. I'm just obsessed with their bags, and yeah, I'm so excited to try this one. I've been an eye on this bag for quite a while and I am finally get it, so really excited to show you guys. It is in this beautiful dust bag, and you probably see what I unboxed and everything already, but I just want to say that packaging is amazing. Love this dust bag because you can do something else besides storing your bag. Are you guys ready? This is so gorgeous. This bag called Coast Portfolio Satchel, which I'm so excited. Guys, this giving a vintage old school kind of vibe, which I am looking forward to it, and I am in love with the color, the perfect combo between canvas and the leather. This collection comes with two different colors. This one's called sand, and there is a marble, which is the black leather with the canvas, which I think is super nice and giving summery. And yeah, I'm so excited to use this bag and get it to work. If you are interested in this bag, feel free to use my code Rada Oleada to get 22% off site-wide, which I think that is such a great deal. Before we move on to what fit inside, how I style this bag, I want you to see the feature of this bag and get an idea for it. This is how the front looks like. This is in the bag. On the sides, it's just like that. Very cute. Has little size pocket here, which is great. On the bottom, there are bag feet. As you can see from the top of this bag, there are main 3 compartments. As you can see inside the zipper compartment, there are small zipper pockets and small pockets on the sides, and you have this size compartment. Besides those 3 compartments, there are another compartment in the bag, which is my favorite. You can unzip the bottom and use it with your suitcase, which I find that very smart. It also comes with small little size pocket that you can put your things, stuff like that. If you don't want to use this feature, you can just zip up and have an extra compartment. The canvas is water resistant. The leather part right here, the brown one made with the vegan leather. This bag also comes with this longer strap for you to carry. I would say the strap is about 1.5 inch. You are able to adjust the strap on both sides, which is really good. I like the details on the lobster crabs that has Oleada logo in it, which is really professional made, and the perfect combinations between this gold hardware and the brown leather just complement each other so nice. Now we know a little bit more about this portfolio satchel. Now let's see what fits inside. Those are all my work essentials, and wow, it's carry every single things of my essentials. There are many compartments that I can put stuff in, doesn't have to be in the same place. And what I love the most probably gonna be the back compartment, which you can zip it or unzip it, which I think that is really cool feature. Yeah, there are some small pockets, you know, inside the bag, which is really good for small little things. If you want to put or throw something in and don't want to lose it, I think that is a good idea. Overall, I love this bag. This bag is such a beautiful work/travel bag. The size of this bag is perfect for me as long as it's carrying my 16-inch laptop. That is the most important. In the middle compartments, I throw so many stuff like my car keys, my book, makeup pouch, and all that kind of stuff. I like to throw my phone on the side compartments because it's easy to grab and easy to reach out. So it has a feet on the bottom of the leg which help to protect from scratches. So that is really amazing. This bag can use in vary. So I think it's not only work great as a work bag, but for travel or for so many things else. There are 3 ways that you can use it, which I think that is really functional. Probably gonna use the shoulder bag like the most of the time, but I also keen to use the one with the zipper right here, like with the suitcase. So I'm really excited to use this for my upcoming trip. Alright guys, that's it in this video. I hope you guys enjoy and like my Oleada work bag. If you're interested in this bag or Oleada bag, feel free to check them out. I will put the link in down below. Feel free to use my code Rada Oleada for 22% off site-wide. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I have an exciting news for you guys. Oleada will have an offline pop-up in New York City this September. You guys can check out the details on the description box. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!